3 days 2 nights travel guide to San Francisco, California, USA. 3 days 2 nights travel guide to San Francisco, California, USA. Overview. San Francisco is a vibrant city known for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, diverse neighborhoods, and rich culture. It offers a mix of natural beauty, history, and modern experiences. You will find something exciting every corner you turn. Open times and days. Most major attractions are open daily. Typical museum hours, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Golden Gate Park is open from sunrise to sunset every day. Public transport, MUNI, runs roughly from 5 a.m. to midnight. Alcatraz tours operate mostly during the day and early evening. Book tickets in advance. Precautions. San Francisco can be chilly and foggy. Dress in layers. Watch your belongings in crowded tourist spots. Be cautious when walking in less familiar neighborhoods at night. Follow local COVID-19 guidelines if still applicable. Respect local wildlife and park rules. Must-visit places. Golden Gate Bridge, walk or bike across for stunning views. Alcatraz Island, take a historic prison tour, book ahead. Fisherman's Wharf and Pier 39, seafood, sea lions, and shops. Chinatown, explore vibrant markets and authentic cuisine. Golden Gate Park, visit the Conservatory of Flowers and Japanese Tea Garden. Mission District, street art and great Mexican food. Things to do. Ride the historic cable cars around the city. Take a ferry ride on the bay for unique city views. Visit museums like SMOMA or the Exploratorium. Walk or bike across the Golden Gate Bridge. Try clam chowder in a sourdough bread bowl at Fisherman's Wharf. Explore local neighborhoods on foot. Things not to do. Don't feed the sea lions at Pier 39. Avoid parking in no parking zones, tickets are expensive. Don't ignore weather changes, fog can roll in quickly. Avoid walking alone late at night in unfamiliar areas. Insider tips. Book Alcatraz tickets weeks in advance to secure a spot. Use public transport or rideshares to avoid parking hassle. Visit Twin Peaks at sunset for panoramic city views. Try local coffee shops outside the tourist areas for better prices and quality. Check for city event calendars for free or discounted activities. Possible deals. Look for City Pass for discounted entry to major attractions. Check Groupon for restaurant and tour deals. Public transport day passes save money if you plan multiple trips. Best time to visit. Spring, March to May, and fall, September to November, have mild weather and fewer tourists. Summer is popular but can be foggy and crowded. Winter is cool and rainy but less crowded. Affordable places to eat nearby. Swan Oyster Depot, fresh seafood, casual, reasonable prices. La Taqueria, Mission District famous burritos, affordable and tasty. The Codmother Fish and Chips, Fisherman's Wharf great quick bite. Golden Boy Pizza, North Beach cheap, delicious pizza slices. Arizdi Bakery, great pastries and vegetarian options. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.